This thing isn't very dirty, but we're gonna clean it anyway. I'm just curious how fast we can get it done. What if we could do it in like under 10 minutes inside and out? What do you think? Can we do it, Tyler?
I think so.
Come on, let's go. How long do I have?
What do you mean?
How long do I have?
What are you doing?
I'm cleaning it.
5 minutes.
5 minutes,
5
dude?
minutes.
I gotta hit the inside, I gotta hit the engine, and I gotta wash the outside and wipe it all down on the inside in 5 minutes.
Under 5.
Dude, we're gonna damage something. I'm gonna need a running start, dude. All right, we got 5 minutes, all right? Oh, it's going. Oh no, this coupling's been going bad, dude. Let's go, dude. Oh no. Oh no. All right, go around the other side, around the other side. Whoa, dude, you gotta watch out, bro. We're in a time trial right now, Brian. We only have 4.5 more minutes. All right, come on, come on. There we go. Oh. Okay, we're good, we're good, we're good. I need my rags. Where are they? Dude, we're gonna get this thing as absolutely half done as humanly possible today.
You got this.
You think so?
I think so. I think you're making pretty good time.
All right, let's keep going, let's keep going. We gotta shut this. Oh, Brian, I need help. You gotta shut that for me. It's coming, but I don't have long. 5 minute time limit, Tyler, for real.
Yeah.
For real, bro. What are you doing to me, dude? All right, we're going. What do we have, like 3.5 more minutes?
I don't know, I can check. You have 3 minutes.
3 minutes?
You have 3 minutes, bro.
That's the most absurd time limit I've ever been handed, Tyler. What do we got? 1 more minute. Dude, I think we got it. We made it. I think it was like 5 minutes and 10 seconds, maybe.
That was a tough challenge. I gave you a tough one. That's pretty solid, though.
Not bad. You think we should finish it off, bro?
Yeah, finish some touch-ups, yeah.
We have to like take it a little bit further. We didn't even clean the windows for this poor lady. I'm breaking the rules right now. I just want to get it a little better. We can't do our dirty like that. We got to take it just a hair further. It smells pretty good in there. So he's got that chemical guys, bro.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it's in there, dude. It's got a vibe to it. I nearly tripped over Brian in there.
You didn't see him?
Whoa, dude, you gotta watch out. I like aimed my gun at him. Like, who is this? Who's behind me, bro?
I'm in a time trial.
I'm in a time trial. Just a couple of specks of dust, dude. She'll be appreciative of this treatment right here. That's all she needs. Just a hair of dusting right here. Some specks on the outside or something. You know what I always want, Tyler? I want them squeaky window sounds. One spritz on the inside. All right. Dude, look at this spot right here. You see that? That's where it did not come clean, but we can get it that easily, bro. Done deal. That film right there, I didn't hit that enough with the pressure. A little more impact, you can get it. You can be guaranteed I'm taking that snake oil, seal it off with this pass right here right now, bro. Outside of the windshield, bro. Looking pretty rough. Look at those bugs, dude. This is where we bring in the reacher. But look at that bug, dude. I did not do much justice to the front end of this thing. That was a real serious bug, dude. Not bad. Did you see the engine, dude?
No, the engine looks sick.
Dude, there's like no more dust in there. 'Cause that's all there was. It wasn't really that bad. Quick and easy, dude. This is still a mess on the windshield here. This reacher thing is pretty nice for this, dude. We should probably offer these. I don't think we have these on our website, but we should. So we're taking 10 minutes to do this after all. It's the way that it has to be, Tyler. I need 10 minutes, Tyler.
I should have said 10.
Let's put it on a little heavier with this one. That's what we were able to do in 5 minutes, and I think next time we'll probably aim for 10 minutes deadline. I think then we can get more done that way, dude. We had to cheat to get our tire shine on there and wipe the windows off, man. I'm really curious now how long that actually took. So Tyler, you got to put that in post the whole time. Put the whole thing in there with all the tune-ups we did after too. I want to find out how long that took to get it to this place. And that wasn't that dirty. I need something dirty, but you guys just don't send me anything. Not one email. studio@chemx.com. Empty. There's not one person in there, dude. I'm not even joking, bro. We have not received one email. It's like if you sent an email right now, you'd be alone in the inbox. It'd be all you. So send me something. Send me something dirty.